Replacing acid-forming foods with alkaline foods can improve your health. Your metabolism converts food into energy, and the foods you eat leave an ash-like residue known as metabolic waste. This metabolic waste, or ash, can be alkaline, acidic, or neutral. Acidic ash can make you more vulnerable to sickness or disease, whereas alkaline ash is considered more protective. By eating more alkaline foods, you should be able to alkalize your body's pH balance and improve your health. Now, some people get a little confused with the statement that I've made. Some may say, you can't alkalize your body. If you do, you'll die. Well, here's the facts. Alkalizing your body with foods does not change the blood pH level. You see, our body is already alkaline by design. Your blood is already slightly alkaline with a reading between 7.35 and 7.45. And if that changes, it would be detrimental to your health. Eating alkaline foods and liquids can change and raise the pH of your urine and saliva. Raising the pH in your urine and saliva, it helps your kidneys and your lungs. Your kidneys and your lungs are the primary organs that help to eliminate acid buildup in your body, followed by your skin. Now, alkaline foods are plant-based, and no doubt, eating these foods can make you healthier and more resistant to disease. So I want to show you how to make an alkaline smoothie. It's very easy to prepare, and it can help build up your body's defense mechanism and also help those who are suffering with acid reflux and indigestion. So let's go. So we're using 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk. We can use kale or collards. They're both high alkaline foods, but I'm going to use collards in this video. 1 kiwi fruit, half of an avocado, 1 cup of strawberries, and 1 inch of ginger with the skin on. And I'm gonna put a cup of ice in because I like it cold and thick, like a real thick smoothie. And there you will have an amazing, energetic, alkaline smoothie. Enjoy.